A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Who ever notice, say Jesus, even though him big and powerful and could have worked enough miracle, never try to do anything without him Father or without point to him Father. Are we, mere mortal on earth, a try to do it without him? He can't walk. Anyway, today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to John, chapter 8, from verse 12 to verse 20. Jesus start talk to the people them again and say, me are the one will light up the world. Anybody will follow me, now go walk in the dark, but them are going to have the light where give people life. The Pharisee them said to him, say, see, that talk about yourself and nobody know the about the back where you are sick. Where you are sick, you are never true. So Jesus said to them, say, let me did that talk about myself. When me I say true, cause me know where me come from and me know where part me I go. But you don't know where me come from and you don't know where part me I go. You no judge based on what you can see. Me no do it the way you do it. But if me did fi judge nobody, how me judge them would I right? Cause I know me wanna do it. Me do it with my Father, the one who send me come here. It write down in a phone own a law, so that if two somebody say the same thing about sitting, then what them say are true. Me are the one who talk about myself, and my Father will send me talk about me too. So then, where part your Father there? The Pharisee them ask him, "Uno no know me or my Father?" Jesus said to them, if you did know me, you would have known my Father too. Jesus said then sitting here when he did that teach in the yard where God hosts there, near which part people drop them offering. And nobody ne hold him feel like him up, cause him time name come yet. A God word this. Thank God. And remember, if you no want catch what go on in the next portion of the Word of God, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Yeah. All right, so what good? One love.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.